Good afternoon, everyone. It's Luke here of Pine Acres RV, coming at you with a fresh arrival. It's a 2017 Jayco J-Flight SLX. Model number is 267BHSW. This has corner bunks and a huge slide. Family unit. It shows extremely well. Nice and clean on the outside. And we haven't even cleaned it yet. Two 20-pound propane tanks that will be filled. Look at the frame. The frame looks great. Battery will be brand new. Let's take a look at the quality construction. I see wood construction out front. This is actually plywood. All right, looking good on the outside. Let's go in. All right, let me shut this door. And here we go. All right, so there's your major slide. That sofa turns into a bed. Nice blinds. This dinette, that turns into a bed. Out back, there is the sink. This back door right here, that is to the bathroom. Shower with a tub. Again, we haven't cleaned this. This is looking pretty darn good. Corner bunks right here. 1 and 2, and they are extra large. So if you have small children, I dare say you could put 2 per bunk. All right, kitchen area, pantry, more storage, more down low. We got a Norcold fridge, and this works on propane and electricity. That looks fairly clean, not bad, not bad. I see a little bit of dirt there. Kitchen area, again with some storage, dual sinks. We got a high point microwave. Oh, finally, look, there's some dirt right there. I found it. Yeah, and this oven's been used before. That's good. We will definitely get that cleaned up for you. Okay, out front, this is towards the master bedroom. Looks like the previous owners kept the TV, whatever they had there before. You know what? If you talk to one of our friendly sales staff, I try to negotiate that in for you. Go for it. All right, out front, take a look at this mattress. I assure you, this mattress is not from factory. Wow, that's extra thick. Seems to be super comfy. Might actually take a break here later. All right, and I see another spot there for TV. Looks like they've never put one up. Floor looks really good, really nice and clean, except for that stove. And of course, we will clean it up. I like it. I like it a lot. If you like it, come see us. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I hope to see you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.